Our paint facility is 120,000 square foot of space dedicated to paint. Now what that allows us to do is to give your motorhome a really nice automotive style finish that's going to last for years and miles down the road. And the first step in the paint process is actually this guide coat that's put on back in lamination. Now this guide coat covers the whole entire sidewall, and we have a team that will sand all of this off, and what that does is allows them to make sure they get a nice smooth surface before the paint ever goes on. Now that we've got a nice clean smooth surface, we can apply our base coat, and our base coat is put on in these large paint booths. Now here at Fleetwood, we put on 164,000 gallons of paint every year. Now after the base coat's put on, we're going to put on these large masks. That allows us to get these nice intricate exterior graphics, but it also makes the process easier and a better quality. Depending on your motorhome, you're going to get 3 colors of base or 4 colors of base. Next, we're going to inspect that base coat to make sure all defects are out before we put the clear on. Now the clear is going to be put on in this large paint booth. That's one of 10 paint booths in this facility. Your coach is going to go through the clear coat process, and depending on your motorhome, we're going to repeat that process to give you a nice deep shine that really gives vibrant color and makes your paint last a lot longer. We've reached the end of the production line, and this is where we're putting on the finishing touches, like comforters and pillows. We've been able to show you a lot of the things you're not going to see in a finished motorhome, and that all starts with our exclusive chassis. We've shown you our interlocking floors and walls, our solid built cabinetry. We've engineered quality into every step, and that has allowed us to provide you with the Fleetwood of your dreams.